Hi guys, how's everyone doing? I hope you guys are having a good day. We're looking at the pound Australian signal we did give earlier today is going really good, and that's because Australian is really weak and the pound is all strong. You can see such a big, nice candle from the lower band. Yesterday also did give a video about selling this one scalping. So yesterday we did catch this wave, and early today, we said this is a buy. Probably it's a good idea to get out of this trade now and just take the 110 pips from this candle and just call it good for this quick money right here. The gold guys is breaking to the downside. We did make the call from 1950 to 2006. It was really nice buy. Gold, I can't see it go rising, but if there is any strong news about vaccine or anything like that, it's gonna push it further down. Anyway, we close this gold buy position now. We're just gonna hold a little bit. DAX, we expect a down wave right here. We expect a down wave. The bound break to the upside, but we said we're not gonna get to this one. We're gonna get to the bound Australian or bound CHF instead. CHF JPY, it did come down a little bit to this line. It's bouncing back, but it's coming back down. We spent a lot of time in this today. Okay, bound CHF, we did make this call early today. So, and we said we're gonna scalp like 75 pips to the upside. It's going really good. It's flying up. So that's really nice. Okay, just move your stop loss, take 100 pips and get out. Okay. Looking at what's going on now, the pound is really strong, guys. This is the BSA market scanner. The pound is really strong. Australian dollar is really weak. So we're kind of also Euro Australian is going to go up. However, earlier today we said this may be coming down, but right now it's probably going up a little bit. Okay. Australian New Zealand also possibly is a good sell now because it was the opposite, so it's reversing. So Australian is under low pressure, okay? And that was a good call. We did call the pound Australian early today, and that's really nice. You can see how you trade in the market. You take the strongest currency from the VSA market scanner meter right here. Again, it's the weakest one. Then you go check the chart. If the chart is giving you a good buy, then you will take the buy of the pound against the sell of the Australian. Then you will have a good trade. Okay. So that's how it goes. Earlier today we discussed the pound Australian, pound also Japanese yen right here, pound Canadian, pound New Zealand. All of them are a good buy. Watch out, Euro Australian is a buy right here as the Australian is under low pressure. Pound dollar also is a buy. CHF JPY probably is kind of even now. Yeah, minus 1.1. Okay. Crude oil, we said only we're going to take a buy, did rally up, then it's come back down a little bit. You do want to really sell the oil. You want to wait, take a lower price as much as you could. We expect to continue ranging these two levels for now till it breaks the upside. So that's the higher band, and that's the lower band. So if it does come down to another 100 points down or so, and the way up you buy it, you probably keep playing this range. Okay. The Dow, we did expect a down wave correction right here. Then it's gonna bounce from this area. So the long term is only up, but we expected a small correction. Of course, this is gonna look so big in the smaller time frames, okay? Because this is a daily, so huge. It's already 267 points. This can come further down either to here or there. Anyway, we're waiting for this correction to finish. We're not gonna sell it. Then when it start to reversing, then possibly we're gonna jump to a buy. Okay, SPX, same thing. It's coming down as a correction. This is not a reverse. It's not gonna bounce from here. It's not gonna go 1,000 points down or anything. It's just coming to do a small correction down here to this green trend line maximum. Then it's gonna bounce back up. Okay, so any low price here will offer a good opportunity to buy. Gold drop really strong. Guys, watch out. The dollar is probably gonna start going up from here. Okay, so watch out the gold. Don't sell any more gold after this level. Wait to take a buy. This is getting exhausted. I don't think it's gonna go much further down. It can go a little bit, but not too much. That's something to keep the eye on. And this possibly may send the gold down if it does happen. Anyway, pound Australian stays to be, Euro Australians probably continue to be a buy, and pound Australian also. I would probably sell this high, like here. I would sell Euro Australian. I would sell this high. Take one trade here. It's not gonna hurt. Okay. And pound Australian, I'll probably hold it for a little bit more, but Euro Australian, I would sell it. It's not the best sell. Probably EuroCAD. EuroCAD did break up to the upside a little bit, but I think this is gonna continue. It's gonna come down later on. This is because the weakness in the dollar. So the too much weakness in the dollar is pushing the euro index up. Okay, this weakness in the dollar is pushing the euro up. That's why, and also Australia and New Zealand are weak. That's why Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, Euro Canadian are up a little bit. But I don't think this is going to last long.
Incoming mail.
Euro dollar, you can see start to give in kind of rejection in this area. I would be only taking any sell from here. I would not buy euro dollar at 1.1930 price. So this only a sell. So I'll take a sell here. And we should target the lower band of this. This is 200 pips. This means the dollar index will go up. If this scenario will happen, then what we are doing, we're expecting the dollar index to start reversing up. Okay. Okay guys, so just gonna leave this screen here, and so you guys can watch what's going on in the indexes and the currencies, which is one is trending, what's going on to be a buy and a sell, and later on possibly we'll come back on check what's going on in the market.